Hello friends, today we're going to show how to load a syringe with some grease. So begin by pulling the plunger all the way out. You'll hit a little bit of a stop, but just pull past it. Open up the grease bottle. You'll want to keep decent pressure from the lip of the bottle to the back of the syringe. And then you just squeeze. It'll take a little bit of work and a little bit of patience, but you'll be able to squeeze the grease right into the syringe. Again, keeping a little pressure at that contact location. About 1.5 should be pretty good. Then we take our plunger, stick it back in, and there you can see we have a loaded syringe. Thanks for watching.